everyone, welcome to Guided Lifestyle. Here's how you can get the maximum benefits of using the ordinary lactic acid 10% plus HA serum. You need to be cautious when you are using this wonderful high-strength chemical exfoliator for the first time. Like any other product, a patch test is mandatory to see if it is suitable for your skin or not. Everyone's skin is different, so everyone's skin's needs are different too. I have sensitive combination skin and I like to use the exfoliator once or twice a week. I cleanse my face with a mild face wash. I spray some organic rose water mist afterwards. When my skin is semi-dry, I use 3 to 4 drops of the ordinary lactic acid on my face except the eye area and lips. It dries up within 30 seconds. I don't prefer to use any other serums along with it. I follow it up with a moisturizer of my choice and I am good to go. In the next morning, there's always a visible difference. My skin feels really soft, supple and clear. There's an afterglow, I must say. After washing my face, I apply my sunscreen and the routine is complete. My skin has reacted very well to this exfoliator. There is not a single adverse reaction. I highly recommend this exfoliator and this routine if you are thinking of trying chemical exfoliator for the first time. Take care.